The following steps illustrate how to create licensing records within the system. To create a state-certified license application, click New from the top banner and select Contractor License Application. Review the general disclaimer and click the box next to I have read and accepted the above terms to accept. Select Continue Application to proceed to the Select a Record Type page. Enter State in the search box and click Search or select State Certified License Application from the Contractor License dropdown. Select Continue Application to proceed to the Application Information page. Complete the state license information fields. Select the contractor type. Complete the workers' compensation fields. Select the checkbox to confirm applicant attestation acknowledgement and select Continue Application. Select the contact information for the license applicant by selecting from the account or adding new. To select from an account, select a contact associated to the account. To add a new contact not associated to the account. Add additional contacts to the application by selecting from account, adding new, or looking up contacts. Multiple contacts can be added. Contacts on the record will have access to the record and will receive correspondence regarding the record. Select Continue Application. Select Add in the Attachment section to add the required documents. The documents required will depend on the application. The system will deliver a prompt showing the required documents. Select Add, Browse for File, and select Open. Select Continue after the file is uploaded. Select the document type and description and click Save. Select Continue Application to review the application detail entered. If changes are needed, select Edit to edit the section of the application. If no changes are needed, proceed to the next step. The system will display confirmation that the application was received successfully and will send an email confirmation.